This is going to be a real quickie. This is Thursday, February 6th. We've had a busy day today. We have friends in from out of town. We live, by the way, in one of the great areas of our country by the national parks, Kings Canyon National Park and Sequoia National Park, which is the home to the largest trees in the world. So we have some friends that came into town today. I took them up to see the trees. It's an incredible sight. It really is. For those of you that have never seen sequoias, before you die, that should be on your bucket list. Anyway, it's been a busy afternoon. My internet was down for a part of the afternoon, so I'm just going to show you this one chart. This is the S&P. This is a 7 to 8 day offset, which gives you a nominal 20-day projection. And we've been in the reason why 7 to 8 is the half span of what's called a 20-day offset. And perhaps we'll go into it again someday, but not right now. No time for that. The important thing to note is that we have a projection to the upside for the S&P cash between 3382 and 3406. And different versions of this chart will give you different numbers, but that gives you an idea where those numbers stand. One of the things that happened today, however, was that both the Dow and the S&P went to new all-time highs. And we had a negative day in advances and declines. As you can see in the creeping line above you there, it shows 1419 up and 1506 down. And the Cullen oscillator is just a little bit above the zero level. Anyway, these are all technical things we will discuss in more detail on our update for the weekend, which will go on either Friday or Saturday or Sunday. It'll be on before the Monday opening. So thanks for watching. This is the update. Now again, you can come all the way down into here for 2 or 3 days, 4 days, and still not invalidate this upside projection. So this doesn't tell you you're necessarily going to go straight up into the green area. At this point, I would say this is a high confidence projection, but it doesn't mean high confidence straight up. That's it. Quick update. Just wanted to remind you of what we're looking at. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do so. That way you'll know when we put our update on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Subscribe the bottom right of your screen and tell your friends about it. I mean, I'm not going to go into that. I mean, we've been doing this now for 5 or 6 months. I can't believe we only have 800 or 900 subscribers and probably 500 or 600 people a night watching these updates. When we used to charge for our updates, beginning with our 900 numbers back in the 1980s, the late 1980s, we were getting several thousand phone calls a day. That's back 30 years ago. So tell your friends about these updates if they're into the stock market, and I hope you've been enjoying them. Please make some favorable comments if you want to do that, or if you're critical of something, please let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you over the weekend at some point.